Hey guys, my dad's got me a fidget box. It's right here, and because I have the best dad ever, and I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I got. So first, I got this infinity cube. I love it. It's awesome. And then I got this orange puppet. It's like McLaren. It's a really good one. And then I got this like thing that you play with. Just play with it. And then I got this puzzle ball. I love it, it's really cool. And then I got this wacky trap that's in this box. And I got these 2 marble meshes. I got this purple one. And I got this yellow one. And altogether the fidget box was £10. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was just showcasing the fidgets I got. So peace.